Okay, the Blokees Series 5, because that's all Walmart carries. This stuff is sticky as the other stuff. Okay, you just open it up here. Well, these are much easier to open. Well, they were. They're so stinking hard to get open. Finally. Cool. Coming soon. And well, I don't want to see who it is. A small one. Let's open the big one. Oh my word, we have Sentinel Prime. This is Sentinel. There's no one else this could be. Sentinel Prime. Look at this. Look at the sword. So I'm not sure what this one is, so we'll kind of push these over here. Let's see what this is. Oh, wait, what is this? Apparently we can put different hands on him. And then he comes with a stand. Cool. And then work on these. Ooh, this is going to take a little bit longer than the other ones. Ooh, this is rolling away. Okay, let's see. And then here are the instructions. Wow. Okay, you refer to these for all the figures. And then there are just some things that are changed. Certain ones. Put these back here. Ooh, this is rolling away again. That's rolling away. We have, I guess, the base one of everything. And have all these pieces. Assume that's his chest. That, oh, I found his face. And oh, this is rolling away again. His wings. We've got 2 swords. Got some things, I don't know what they are. I don't know what that is. I have no clue what that is. Back of his head? Not sure what that is, but it's the same as that. So it's probably part of a foot or something. A bunch more of little pieces here. Ooh, I think I found the front of his head. Okay, oh, that's rolling away again. Okay, this is gonna take a little bit more. Start with this. I get it. Okay, this is just the body, and then everything's going to cover it. Okay, so we need these. We need 2 of those. So here and here, and they're gonna go like this. Okay, now for the armor. So for the chest, now we need to go to the back for specific ones. And we have the chest here. And we need this gold piece right here. So things go here. Now we go back to this side to continue for now. So this will go on to here. So that's the back, this is the front. So these 3 pegs are going to go here. And these 2 little pegs are going to slip into here, these little grooves. That's why it wasn't going in, because there we go, there was a nice snap. There we go. These are a little bit bigger. And now we go to the back here, which I assume would be this part. And 3 little holes there, and very nice little pop. There's a nice little, there we go. Now it's all the way in. Okay, I see. Okay, so instructions 1 is the basis for everything, and then certain bots have certain things on them. So like this would be 2, this would be 3, and then so on and so on. Okay, so instructions 1 will cover everything. I thought it went across, it didn't. It actually goes straight down. This is 1, so actually this is all we need right here. Which I did a little bit of this out of order, because I was trying to figure out how to read the instructions first. But actually, if you start here, this is where you're actually supposed to start. You're actually supposed to start with the head and the face. So we're gonna put this one aside for just a second, and we're gonna go in order, start with 1, which is what we're supposed to do. Okay, so with 1, we need this little face and the front here. And then this is going to slide into here. Now it has a little groove right there. There's little grooves on each side, so it just slides in so it doesn't kind of fall out. And there's his face. Okay, the next thing we need is this little part right here, this little blue part. This is what's going to make his eyes. That's what that is. These are actually his eyes. These little things right here. It's going to go like this. And the back of the head. Oop, I just threw it. Head together like that. There, Sentinel Prime's head. So we now have the head and the chest done. And we can now put the head on the put the head on the top. We're going to do the crotch next. So we need this part. And then we have the front and the back. And I would assume the back is the part with nothing on it. So it has a good range of motion there. He needs some legs, which are these. So we need the feet for these. Oh, it's rolling away. These 2 joints. Got these. 2 of these. That gold piece is actually the leg. I'm going to take these, stick it in the bottom. So it looks like a light bulb. Now we need a joint. This is going to go in here. And then that is going to go in here. And the foot go right here. And then the same for the other. Over, we have one thing special over the knee, so we need these pieces. Make sure it's like this. And we have it. We need to give him some arms. This is the arm ring, so we don't need those yet. These 2 joints. These. I'll start with these and a joint. And these. Full range of motion. And we're going to have him hold his weapon, so we're going to put these aside for now. do have a thumb, so make sure the thumb is on the right side. Snap those on. Oh wow, you even got a range of motion like this. Need the armoring. Means need Now we're going to do his wings. Back. These little bits. It's okay, so you refer to this for all the Lego. Lego. Oh my goodness, I just called it Lego. It's gotta be that part. Okay. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, actually, you're supposed to put the back of the head on. Again, I'm doing all this out of order. Oh, excuse me. These are the legs. That's the arm. We need the legs. Aha. Here we go. Knee. Oh, that doesn't explain anything. Looks like a light bulb. Bling. Okay. Okay, my thing just shut off in the middle of me doing this. I don't know why. My stupid phone keeps falling. And my phone is falling down again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try this again. Oop. I just popped his arm off.